Start your computations.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you don't know me, I am Asmi Biswas, and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel down below. So as I promised you guys that I won't be late for my other YouTube videos, and oh my god, my hair is looking so good. Wow. Okay. So as I promised that I won't be late, and I also posted a bonus video that was not good actually, because you know it was shot on the filters and like Instagram ka, so it was not looking good. But this time I'm again here with a proper kind of video. So yeah, see, I wore mehendi. Yeah, and so this time I'm again here with another video. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you do, then you know what to do, right? Subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends. And also last video में comment on था, पर आप लोगों ने comment किया ही नहीं, सिर्फ 3 जन ने comment किया. और क्या बोलूँ मैं, कमेंट इस बार भी ऑन रहेगा शायद, क्योंकि यू नो देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम, लाइक यू हैव टू गो टू द यूट्यूब स्टूडियो एंड देन लाइक डिजेबल होके रखता है. व्हेन यू लाइक स्विच टू द ऑप्शन दैट इट्स नॉट मेड फॉर किड्स, तब जाके ऑप्शन मतलब खुलता है कमेंट सेक्शन, पर ऐसे मतलब खुला नहीं रहता. तो yes, this time also comment section will be on only, and this time I'm doing a vlog. I don't know the vlog number, but I'll from now onwards, like I'll be posting a vlog hashtag 3 or 4, maybe this is my 3rd or 4th vlog. So I hope you guys will like this video, and if you do, then please do whatever I said. And yeah, hi guys, so yeah, the introduction is done, and I don't know what to do, so I was laying down and I thought, you know, I was feeling very alsi, but then I thought, no, I promised you guys that I will post video regularly, so I thought, ki nahi, chalo, let's make it. And also I have content these days because you know I'll be going to tours also, and I'll tell you guys about it later, like day after tomorrow I'm going, I guess. And right now I'll lay down a little bit more, and then I don't know what I will do, but of course I'll share it with you guys. So yeah, that's it, and stay safe, obviously take care of yourself. And today मैं थोड़ा शायद बाहर जाऊँगी after so many fucking days. I'm like so glad that मुझे और नहीं मैं रह सकती घर में, मतलब कि it's almost a month मैं घर से बाहर नहीं गई हूँ, मतलब थोड़ा भी. So let's see what happens, and yeah, take care guys. Yeah, and yeah, I'll be sharing every single bit of my life with you guys, and I actually enjoy vlogging. I actually enjoy vlogging more than making contents. I don't know why, but yeah, I hope you guys like this, what I make for you guys. And when the likes I get, also the comments mean comments और करो, क्योंकि it means a lot more than the likes do. So yeah. Hi guys, so sun kissed me. Wow, so it's not so much hot, not gonna lie, but yeah, I had my lunch and it's wow, yeah, self-obsessed people be like, you know. And yeah, so I also posted a reel on my Instagram, which I'm gonna put here. And if you haven't yet, I don't know when this vlog's gonna come out, but if you haven't yet, go check it out. And yeah, that's it, and I don't know what I'm gonna do, but of course, right, I'm gonna tell you guys. So hi pretty people, what's up? Okay, just a reminder that you all should wear mask whenever you are going outside, so don't forget to wear mask and stay happy always, because I don't know why I'm giving this bhashan, but I love you guys a lot and keep supporting. Love you. Hi guys, I'm ready, and I'm wearing double mask, like you know, one and again one, because बाहर जा रहे हो यार, थोड़ा तो precautions लेना पड़ेगा, है ना? So yeah, and I tied my hair. I wore a basic t-shirt. It's my Chachi's, and have fun. So yeah. Hi guys. So गर्मी लग जाता है. Also, today I'm wearing all black mask, black gloves, black t-shirt, and not the pant, but yeah. So I wore my gloves also. So I'm going with all the precautions on. So I have to go. That's why I'm going. So मेरी रूम का टाइल्स चूज़ करना है, तो मेरे को तो जाना पड़ेगा ना. तो yeah, I'm shifting, but I will tell you guys about that later. Yeah, bye. Hi guys, so I'm at the thing right now. Yeah, I'm choosing and it's so hard to choose, you know, guys. Hi guys, so finally I'm back. Yeah, it took a lot of time. We went there like at 5 o'clock, but and came back at like it's already 8:30. It will take a lot of time because you know you have to select and you have to coordinate the colors like which will match or not. So yeah, I'm looking so tired. I just washed my face and all my hands, and you know I just got freshened up because COVID situation. You know you have to. So yeah. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm too bored right now and like I don't know what to do. I came back and I was doing Omegle, so right now I think I will study a little bit because I have to go through some things which my teacher has told me to and I did not. So कल मैं vlog आज तो end नहीं करूँगी, कल सुबह मेरे को जाना है थोड़ी देर के लिए एक जगह. So I'll take you guys with me. एंड यार इतने दिन के बाद बाहर जाके तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था क्योंकि घर में और कितना रहेंगे यार, अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो इतना ही बस. अभी मैंने मैगी खाया, बाद में डिनर करना है. Guys, I cleaned my wardrobe finally. I did not shoot it, but if you can see, it's like totally cleaned. Like all things organized. You know my basics. Wait, I'm gonna keep my power bank here. You know my ghar ka here, and this is kind of like I don't wear, but it's like very nice. So it's my bahar ka. These all are my bahar ka, and yeah. So I've not mixed them, but still. Yeah. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm done with my dinner and now to the bed I'll sleep. Yeah. First I got my eyebrows done. It's looking quite good. Looks clean, you know, when you do your eyebrows. So hi guys, so yeah, it's the not last actually, this is the last I'm filming today. I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow, don't worry. And yeah, it was a very nice day. I went outside after so many days. I hope you guys will like this video because I'm doing a lot of mehnat for this video when I was, you know, shooting at that place. So it was so awkward because I never shooted like in front of everybody, in front of people. So yeah, it was kind of awkward, but no, I had to conquer my fears. Oh, whatever. And yeah, now I'm gonna sleep and I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow. कल भी मेरे को बाहर जाना है. So yeah. Okay, bye. This is not my mirror. I need to remember that. Okay, bye. Hi guys, good morning. So I just woke up and I'm looking like an idiot. Like I woke up very late. I'm not gonna tell you the time because you'll tell me in the comment section that why do you wake up so late. And so my chachi is asking that whom I'm talking to, but I'm making a YouTube video. So yes, and I don't know what I will do, but I'll oh please disturb him, but I'll tell you guys. Okay. Hi guys, what's up? So yeah, I took a shower, but I look very disgusting today. I don't know why. And I was just, you know, doing my tourism. Actually, I have a lot of interest in traveling, so I have made like a tourism notebook in which I will write about the places and like information about the places so that I can learn about the places. Because when I was little, I had an intention of, you know, going for like the, you know, the tourist guides. So I always wanted to become something related to traveling. So first I thought tourist guide, and then I thought ki, you know, cabin crew is still there, but still. but I want to pursue like, you know, tourism. So I will study tourism in graduation, and then I don't know what I will do, but you know, future will take me with it. और जो लिखा है वो तो होगा ही ना. तो it's my tourism notebook. It's pretty basic, and when you open, some details are written about me, and then you first see Goa, because I wanted to write something about in India only, not international, but you know, domestic kind of. So I wrote about it and I was continuing. So I will write about Shimla next, because it's a really nice, because I wrote about beach, and then next I want to write about like mountains, hills, and then I will go for forest, which is my own doers. Like I'm going there tomorrow and I'll vlog it, and today I have to pack my bags, so I will vlog that also with you guys. So yeah, this vlog's gonna be super. I'm watching this vlog while editing a lot of time, because I'm liking this vlog a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys will like this vlog, because I'm putting a lot of efforts and I'm really liking it. That feels good, you know, when you put a lot of efforts and the video comes good, it feels good. So yeah, now I have to get ready, because I will go to my मामा का घर and MB Delight. कल जो हम लोग टाइल्स खरीदे थे, let me keep it, I have to talk to you guys for a bit. कल जो हम लोग टाइल्स खरीदे थे, तो उसको तो बताना पड़ेगा ना कि कौन सा रूम के लिए कौन सा टाइल्स है, तो इसलिए वो जाना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. और फिर आने वक्त मामा के घर जाना है, मम्मी को कुछ रखना है वहाँ पे. और कल तो हम लोग डुअर्स जा ही रहे, तो इट विल बी वेरी एक्साइटिंग. व्लॉग्स कमिंग अप सून, stay tuned for it. And yeah, that's it. I have made a mess and I have to get ready, and there's a lot to do. Okay, bye. I'm ready, and I will go after some time, like maybe 15 minutes or something, and I'm wearing a t-shirt, and I don't know what this is called, but yeah, and shorts. So this is my outfit and it's looking so good. And so yes, I'll go and I'll show. It's very hard to talk with your mask on. I just can't breathe. But कल जब मैं बाहर गई थी, I did not open my mask for 1 minute also. Like I was so scared. Like अभी खोलूँगी तो अभी एयर में भी होता है ना, तो कि हो जाए तो क्या करूँ. तो इसलिए 2 pairs of mask is not easy. मम्मी बोल रही थी उस दिन कि ये दिस इज कोविड सेकेंड वेव, इसलिए 2 मास्क, और जब थर्ड वेव होगा तब 3 मास्क. पता से आया, पर अभी कुछ बोलने का है नहीं वैसे. बट मैं बहुत अच्छी लगी, इससे मैं बात करी ताकि इसमें बहुत सारा क्लिप आए. और यस, इतना ही है बस. ओके, एंड आई विल मीट यू गाइज आफ्टरवर्ड्स. आई नीड टू टाई माई हेयर, बिकॉज अभी बाहर जाने से ना हेयर टाई करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि अदरवाइज बोलते हैं सब लोग कि कोविड में यू शुड टाई योर हेयर. सो या, हाय गाइज. सो आई एम एट द प्लेस राइट नाउ, एंड यस, the view, it's like we are at 5th floor right now, but when we were at 9th floor, it was looking amazing. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm looking very bad right now. Deal with it. Guys, so we are on our way back home, and क्या बताओ यार, मेरे को टायर्ड लग रही हो. भूख भी लगा है. मैं डोमिनोज पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर करूँगा. पिज़्ज़ा खाने का बहुत मन कर रहा है, क्योंकि कल तो मैं चली जाऊँगी, एंड वहाँ पे तो पिज़्ज़ा खाने को नहीं मिलेगा ऑफ कोर्स, राइट, यू नो. नहीं, मतलब डुअर्स में पिज़्ज़ा नहीं मिलता, तो अभी ऑर्डर करूँगी. एंड बस बैठी हुई गाड़ी में, कोई नहीं है, थोड़े बाहर गया काम से. एंड वहाँ पे गए थे हम लोग, बोल के आए कि यू नो इन विच रूम, और मेरा रूम का भी क्लिप मैं ऐड कर दूँगी. इट वॉज लुकिंग सो गुड, यू नो, द व्यू फ्रॉम 9th फ्लोर. एक्चुअली वी बाइड इन 9th फ्लोर, सो 9th फ्लोर से व्यू ऑब्वियसली अच्छा होगा. तो हाँ यार, कैसे देख रहे लोग. हाँ, तो बस ये टायर्ड लग रहा है मेरे को बहुत. ऐसे मत देखो भैया, कौन हूँ मैं तुम्हारी? कोई नहीं हूँ. अरे भाभी, क्या कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, चलो बाय. घर में जाके फ्रेश होके मैं बात करूँगी आप लोग से फिर. टिल देन बाय, एंड आई एम गोना एंड दिस व्लॉग एट नाइट. जब यू नो पैकिंग वैकिंग एंड ऑल हो जाएगा, और कल से मैं नया व्लॉग शुरू करूँगी. वो वाला होगा अ ट्रिप टू, और नॉट अ ट्रिप, लाइक डूअर्स. द हेडिंग विल बी डूअर्स, सो समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई विल think about it later. So yes, this is my room. The view from here is amazing. You can see the mountains. That's my chachu. This is my bathroom. And also guys, ये वाला vlog मैं आज ही रात को पोस्ट कर दूँगी एडिट करके. एंड कल का जो मैं वीडियो बनाऊँगी वो शायद 2 दिन बाद पोस्ट करूँगी, क्योंकि मैं क्यों दूँ, लाइक्स कम हो जाएंगे मेरे. मतलब थोड़ा तो गैप रख के देना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो मैं तो ऐसे दे दूँगी. मतलब आज का तो आज ही दे रही हूँ, मतलब आज रात को कंप्लीट करके टुडे आई विल पोस्ट इट. एंड टुमारो आई विल शूट इट, एंड देन डे आफ्टर टुमारो के बाद वाले दिन आई विल पोस्ट इट. हैप्पी? ओके, आई एम पोस्टिंग रेगुलर एंड आई एम actually enjoying making videos. So yeah, peace out. Hi guys, what's up? So now I will pack my bag and I will shoot a little bit of it, because already the video is like, that time I was editing and it was like 15 minutes already. So I don't want to make it more longer, because I don't want to fill my storage obviously, because I want to shoot tomorrow also. So yeah, that's it. And I did not shoot after I came back from there. And yeah guys, so I'm packing my bag right now. I'm gonna put it in time lapse. I'm looking very bad right now, oh my god. And I'm gonna put it in time lapse. So yeah, bag. Wait guys, wait a minute. This is an attempt to look good, but yeah, I hope you guys liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and also hit the bell icon to never miss a video from my account. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I put a lot of efforts. I'm not gonna lie, I have put a lot of efforts in my video, in this video at least, because I've been like filming it from like the past few days, not few days, like कल से मैं कर रही हूँ. तो मैंने 2 दिन का vlog किया. अभी क्लिप्स मेरे को साफ करना है, क्योंकि कल मेरे को फिर से करना है ना व्लॉग. तो अभी करूँगी तो फ़ोन फट जाएगा एकदम पूरा. तो येस, आई होप you guys really like this video, and if you did, then you guys know what to do, right? But still I'm gonna say it because yeah, I have to. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also comment if the comment section is on. In my previous video, as you guys saw, like I went to YouTube Studio a lot of times and enabled the comment. So yes, bye guys, stay safe, take care, love you.